Salibonani Mahlabezulu. Igama lami nginguNontokozo Malabancube. Ngimele i-Raw Zimbabwe eyama-Human Rights. Yikho-ke ngingu-chairman, vice chairman we-Manchester branch. Size lapha namhlanje singama-Zimbabweans lapha e-diaspora e-United Kingdom. Size e-Zimbabwe Embassy ukuzolwela-ke abantu beZimbabwe okuthiwa abadiphotiweyo ke bayiswa ekhaya eZimbabwe. Yikho-ke thina size singumhlambi singusihlanganele singama-organizations achiyeneyo ukuthi-ke with one voice sitshele abantu ukuthi eZimbabwe akuhlambulanga, eZimbabwe kubi. Uhulumende weZimbabwe uyahlukumeza abantu, uhulumende weZimbabwe ubulala abantu, ukuthi abantu abakho free. I-situation yeZimbabwe ayikho right. Likubonile izolo ku-1 August abantu ababuleweyo bedutshulwa estaradeni just like that. Ke njalo as a human rights activist sithi eZimbabwe akukho right for people to be deported. Yebo siyezwa kuthiwa ngama-criminals, lathi asisupport-ke i-criminalism, kodwa-ke these people have already saved ama-sentences abo la. So for them to be sent back eZimbabwe, sithi they are now paying double price. For why? Abanengi bachiye imuli zabo, bachiye abantwana abancane. Most of them have lived here for more than 10 years, more than 20 years or so. We feel that the system is not fair and it's unjust. Okusizwisa ubuhlungu kakhulu yikithi uhulumende wase-United Kingdom uye wakhulumela nalo hulumende waseZimbabwe ngaliphi yethi izolo kade bekhondema ama-human rights violations okutshengisa ukuthi leli lizwe kalikahlambuluki. Ngokunjalo siyabona i-health system is very very poor. Sibonile ukuthi abanye kuswelakala kuze kuswelakale ngitsho lama-paracetamol, izibhedlela zifile, akulama ambulance. Some of these people have been deported, so we hear ukuthi balama health issues. So sithi ngokunjalo abantu laba bekungafanelanga babuyisele eZimbabwe. Mahlabezulu, siyabonga.